If you're experiencing issues with the Sims 4 update getting stuck, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem and get back to playing. Step 1. Restart the game launcher. Close the Sims 4 and the game launcher completely. Wait a few moments and then reopen the launcher to see if the update resumes. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can cause updates to stall. Try restarting your router if necessary. Step 3. Clear the cache. Navigate to the game's cache folder and delete the cache files. This can help resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to hang. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the game launcher and select Run as administrator. This can provide the necessary permissions for the update process to complete successfully. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the update is still stuck, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling The Sims 4. This can fix any underlying issues that may be preventing the update from completing. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the update and enjoy your game without further interruptions.